Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do the music video stutter effect. So once you've loaded up Adobe Premiere Pro and you have your footage ready to go, you just want to zoom in on your footage, press C on your keyboard and make a cut inside of your footage. Now scroll across 3 or 4 frames and cut one more time. So now select this middle layer, copy that by holding Command C, and then we're going to move the third video, so that's the last half of the video, over to the right. Now with the cursor head at the end of that copied video layer, you just want to paste this as many times as you like by holding Command and pressing V. And then you just want to pull the video that we moved over to the right back up to the left without any gaps in between the videos. Now if you wanted to make the stutter quicker, then all you would need to do is reduce the size of that copied video clip in the middle and make sure that's just 1, 2 or 3 at a push frames long. It's a really cool and it's really easy effect, but if you utilize this effect correctly, then it can look really cool and it can help to add some character to your video project. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe by pressing that circle icon up there. And also, don't forget to check out the previous video by clicking this rectangle icon just down here.